Bueno, vamos nosotros acabando ya, nada más y nada menos con la canción casi que más queremos. Ni la vamos a presentar.
The day you could see a policeman watching me. Come on, guy, I don't understand the police. Watching me. I was just a pacifier in the middle of the street. What to do? Why were they controlling me? Watching me. There's no freedom in this deep and crazy world. Some days you may think that you could be hard. Hey! Cause people oppress me. They believe this is a happy world for me. What's it be? This little freedom is deep and crazy world. Some days you may think that you could be hard. In a world we can see how things are controlled. We don't need all of us to look after us.
Al teclado Lorenzo Soler, un aplauso para él muy fuerte, por favor. La batería desde la Riviera francesa y Ribera valenciana, Vini Millo. A la guitarra mi hermano Tony Bareta, un aplauso muy fuerte para él.
Gracias, gracias. Voz, alma mater y el tío que més se ocurra. El meu germà Josep Vicent Ramírez, baix i veu i ànima de segon. Come.
Gracias a las masas.